nacho. Well, hey there, everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. So, today's video is something I'm doing a good old smoked meatloaf for you. It's another tester, like all of them kind of been so far. I've seen how the good old Oklahoma Joe Bronco Pro runs. So, doing a meatloaf, mix a little ground beef and sausage up, and a few other ingredients you'll see when we jump on into the cook and throw it on the smoker and let it go. So we'll jump on in the cook. I'll explain a little bit more of what went into it and what I smoked it out, and we'll go from there. So see y'all when I'm cooking. Well, alrighty folks, this is what we'll be looking at ingredients wise. I got my pound of sausage, and it's about a pound and a half ground beef. Then I got my onions and pepper, well, onion, singular. Gonna chop up and cook up a little bit before I put it in there. About 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 eggs. Gonna crush up about a cup of saltine crackers, and then season it with my seasoning, and then finish it off with the barbecue sauce. So go ahead and start on my onion and pepper here and do a quick little magic chop on them. Got them ready and prepared up. So now I can throw them in my pan here and kind of get them kind of softened up a little bit, so it's easier in the cook, because if you're cooking them just kind of raw, sometimes they won't be all the way done and they're kind of crunchy bits in there. So that way they're softened up, and too, you kind of developing flavor with going ahead and getting them cooked up. So they were looking good there, so now I can start throwing it in there and getting it all mixed up, combined. So I throw my peppers in there, 2 eggs, about 2 tablespoons of the Worcestershire, and then mix it all together there good. Then I'll form me a meat log. So there's my meat log there instead of a meatloaf, and then I can just dust it over with my seasoning there and kind of just let it sweat on in. And then I'll start getting my fire going, and we'll go from there. Well, let's get this thing unwrapped and get her going. Now let's get this thing lit up and going. Got my cubes in there, light it up with the matches and set it up on top and get her going. Got her lit on up. Now it's just gotta get hot, and then I can pour it over the coals and we'll go from there. Alrighty folks, it's hot. Threw me some more wood chunks on it. Had wood chunks in the charcoal already in the basket while I was getting the chimney started, so we'll get her going and go from there. I'll throw it on once that gets kind of lit off some more. Alrighty, got her on there. Get it closed on up and let her go. Alrighty, let's check on it, folks. It's been about 2 hours, so check, see how it's looking. Oh yeah, looking pretty good. I'm gonna check the temp on it, see what it's doing, and then probably sauce it up if it's getting close to temp, and we'll go from there. Alrighty folks, get it sauced up. Gonna put the lid on, let that set, and let it cool off, slice it up, and eat on it. Now it's done. Let it sit for about 15 minutes, kind of cool. Set up, cut it up, and then eat it and enjoy it. So we'll go from there with a taste test. Well, alrighty folks, we're back here. Got it here, chopped off an end piece. I always like the end pieces. Y'all might have saw it beside me in the intro, cooling off. So what I did, I had about 1.5 pounds ground beef, pound of sausage, mixed it up, crunched up about a little over a cup saltine crackers to go in it kind of as a binder, 2 eggs, a little Worcestershire sauce, and then I sauteed the onions and peppers up as you saw to throw in there. And then I dusted it with some of my seasoning and threw it on the smoker. I ran it on the smoker at about 275-ish for right at close to 2 hours. Temped it and it was done. So then I sauced it up with some barbecue sauce that I was trying out of a local place that's around here, 306 Barbecue. And there we go. Let the sauce set and boom, there we go. So try it out for y'all. Good. Smoky, a little sweet from that barbecue sauce, and then with the sauce, the sausage just got the nice little spices in there, and then that kind of sagey feel. That's good. Has that nice mouthfeel that you get from Meatloaf. This is good. Good smoke so far. So good. This is what, 3 for 3 now. Did the butts first as kind of the tester to see it go. Did, or honey, as I say sometimes. And then I did the burgers. Did some more burgers, but I didn't show them because I'd already kind of done it. And then I did this. So yeah, 3 for 3. That's good. Held it together really well. That's still good. I should have got a bigger slice, but I got more. I always like to with meatloaf. Just let it kind of cool and sit until the next day, and then chop it up and make a sandwich out of it. That's always good. A little mayonnaise, a chunk of meatloaf, toast off your bread. May have to do that tomorrow if I got leftovers, because me and my dad probably will tear it up pretty well. But it's good. It's salty, sweet, a little touch of sticky from that sauce setting up, good smoke on it, kind of that spicy sage kind of taste that it helped to add in from the sausage. So it's a good one. That nice texture, not too firm like you can get when it's packed too hard, or it's not too bready. It's just that nice kind of, I don't know really how to explain it, but it's kind of that in between a firm and soft pillow feel, I guess. But turned out really good. 3 for 3 with the Oklahoma Joe Bronco Pro. So it's doing pretty good. So Oklahoma Joe's, if you're hearing this, hats off to you. Good job on another product. And I'm a pretty cool guy. You can ask my dog. You can ask my dog Chops. I'm a pretty cool guy. So if you do want to sponsor me, hey, I'm your man. I'm pretty cool. Just ask my dog. Chops will tell you. But anyway, enough being stupid. I thank y'all so much for watching whatever I'm doing. I really do appreciate it, for offering me your time to watch whatever I'm doing. So I really do appreciate it. So thank y'all again. Y'all like, share, and subscribe if you want to, if you haven't already. And when you do, hey, you're part of the good old Head to Tail family, and we love you and welcome you on in. So I'll catch y'all on the next one.